Welcome to the video about the iQOO Z11x, which is set to become the ultimate segment disruptor in the smartphone market. With the iQOO Z11x, you get flagship power without compromising on speed, battery life, durability, or AI features. The MediaTek Dimensity 7400 turbo processor delivers a super-fast experience, achieving an AnTuTu score of over 1 million. In terms of speed, the iQOO Z11x outperforms the competition, beating both the Poco M8 and the Realme P4 in benchmark tests. Equipped with 8GB of RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, plus an additional 8GB of extended RAM, the iQOO Z11x loads your apps instantly for ultimate multitasking. The powerful 7,200 mAh battery lasts over 2 days, offering 20 hours of PC-mark battery life and ensuring 6 years of battery health across 1,600 charging cycles. The 44W FlashCharge technology quickly fills the massive battery. It features bypass charging and 25-dimension security protection for safe and fast charging. The military-grade durability with an IP69 rating protects your phone from water, dust, drops, and shocks. Leverage the built-in AI features to translate text, summarize content, and effortlessly edit your photos. OriginOS 6, based on Android 16, provides 2 years of OS updates and 4 years of crucial security updates, keeping your device secure and up to date. Capture your world perfectly with the 50 megapixels Sony IMX852 Ultra HD camera and a 32 megapixels front camera. Enjoy stunning visuals on the 6.76-inch 120Hz 1200 nits display. The iQOO Z11x offers more value than any competitor, featuring a larger battery, superior processor, and higher IP rating compared to the Poco M8 and Realme P4. Experience incredible power starting at just 18,998 rupees for the 6GB plus 128GB version, with options up to 8GB plus 256GB at 22,998 rupees. Don't wait. Buy the iQOO Z11x today and experience what it means to own the true segment leader.